You're watching KSC News Explainer. In this video, we are going to talk about the launch of DigiYatra initiative. The Delhi International Airport Limited, that is DIAL or DIAL, run by GMR, on the 15th of August 2022, announced the soft launch of the center's DigiYatra initiative, rolling out the beta version of its app for Android platforms. DigiYatra, the passenger processing system based on facial recognition technology, has been piloted at the Delhi airport and has had the required infrastructure set up at the airport's Terminal 3. Now, what is DigiYatra and how will it work? DigiYatra envisages that travelers pass through various checkpoints at the airport through paperless and contactless processing using facial features to establish their identity, which would be linked to the boarding pass. With this technology, the entry of passengers would be automatically processed based on the facial recognition system at all checkpoints, including entry into the airport, security check areas, aircraft boarding, etc. To use this facility, passengers will need to first download the DigiYatra app. Users can register on the app using Aadhaar credentials followed by a selfie with the Aadhaar card. Then, the person will have to scan his or her boarding pass with the QR code or barcode, after which the credentials will be shared with the airport. For entry into the airport, passengers will need to scan their boarding passes at the e-gate and look into the facial recognition system camera installed there. A similar method will be applicable for entry into other checkpoints. Now, how is DigiYatra being implemented? Last month, the Consultative Committee of the Ministry of Civil Aviation met to discuss the DigiYatra project. The project is being implemented by the DigiYatra Foundation, a joint venture company whose shareholders are the Airports Authority of India and Bengaluru Airport, Delhi Airport, Hyderabad Airport, Mumbai Airport, and Cochin International Airport. These 5 shareholders equally hold the remaining 74% of the shares. The DigiYatra Foundation will be the custodian of the passenger ID validation process. That's it for this explainer. Thank you so much for watching. To join KSG India courses and to crack the IELTS exam, visit ksgindia.com. You can also get a PDF of this explainer on ksgindia.com. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to our channel.